Yo guys, I'm gonna be showing you guys how I make $100 in 2 hours of work as a teen. And I just want to let you know this is not consistent. I do this like once a month, maybe twice a month, but I've been able to make a pretty decent amount of money for the amount of work that I do. And it's, you know, it's just part-time work. It's gonna take roughly 2 hours. But before I go, I'm gonna be taking you through my day because I'm not gonna go till later. It's only 9 a.m. So yeah, let's get through my day first. Bro, I'm so tired. I'm also so burned. Yo, what's up? So I just finished eating lunch, and then after that I'm probably gonna either lift or practice cello because I have an audition coming up, and afterwards we're probably gonna go and do the job. And my nose is so burned right now. Everywhere's kind of burned. I'm healing. Yeah, so we'll get to it now. Okay, so before we continue on with my day, I forgot to tell you guys exactly what I do to make my money, which I'm going to be showing you later. So what I do is actually I work on a platform called Fiverr, which is a freelancing platform. And what I do is I put up like gig listing, and what I do personally is I do drone videos and then also just like regular 4K HD videos at the beach. And then people will message me and ask me to film something for their like website or that sort of thing, and then I'll film that and then they'll pay me. And I also do like product advertisements, and people send me products and that sort of stuff. But my most popular gigs are the drone videos and the beach videos in 4K HD. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna be doing today. I have a $100 gig for about 30 minutes of just filming like the waves at the beach, and then afterwards, since they don't want it really edited, I'm just gonna put it into Sony Vegas and then just color correct it a little bit and then render it and then send it to them, and that should be good to go. That's basically how I'm gonna be doing the $100 in 2 hours. But yeah, let's continue on with my day. Okay, I also forgot to mention I have to go wash my dog, so we're gonna be doing that right now. And also, my skin peeling is really bad. It's not always this bad. I just got really sunburned this past week, so yeah, let's get into it. Hey, what the all right, let's go take a bath. Let's go take a bath. Let's go. So yeah, the dog is like peeing or something over there. He's pooping. Zoom in on this kid. Ooh. Yeah, bubs. Yeah. Okay, so I just took the dog out of the shower. We just quickly did that, and now I think I have to practice some cello, yeah, for my audition. And then I think my dad's gonna come home with my younger brother soon, and then when that happens, he's gonna take me to the beach where we're gonna shoot and then make some bread. So I'm currently waiting for my driver's ed Zoom room to open, but I got another Fiverr message thingy. I just got another inquiry. It happens like a couple times a month, maybe if you're lucky, or like once a month. But either way, it's pretty easy work for a good amount of cash. So yeah. Okay, so now we finally got into the driver's ed room. I don't know if you can see, but we're in the Zoom right now. And I got another one of these Fit Crunch bars. I swear, these are so good. The Fit Crunch bars. Okay, so before we go, I'm gonna lift real quickly, and then afterwards I think we're gonna go and do the thing. I look really white in this lighting. I look a little darker, but yeah, after this we're gonna go and shoot the videos. But right now I'm gonna lift, and yeah, let's get into it. Yo, so we just finished the workout, and now I'm finally gonna go and film for Fiverr. Yeah, we have a little video that I have to film. It's just sitting there basically just watching the camera for like half an hour, and then after that we gotta edit, and then that's basically it. So yeah, let's get into it.
I'll be okay. Damn, my car still smells like marijuana. My mom is gonna kill me, gonna kill me. Traffic's backed up from corner to corner, so I guess I'll hit the highway.
Okay, so I just got home. I didn't really record too much when I was filming, but you did see what I was doing, kinda. Yeah, so I just finished that up. I was there for like 45 minutes. You know, for the first 10 minutes I was just trying to find a good spot, and after that I did a little bit extra because it's always good to over deliver than it is to under deliver. So if something goes wrong, I always have like an extra little 5 minutes of extra recording. And yeah, I just got home. I'm just gonna have some dinner real quick, and then that's just gonna be the end of the video. So yeah, let's go eat. Okay, so I just finished editing the footage that you just saw. And yeah, so like the video title says, I made that order was $100, and you know, honestly it was probably under like an hour and a half, but you know, we just ran out to 2 hours. But it took me like half an hour to film, but to get there maybe like 45 minutes. Editing maybe took a little over like 15-20 minutes, and then rendering and sending it maybe took the rest of the time. But yeah, under 2 hours, $100 easy. And yeah, okay, so we just finished up the order and I just finished uploading. It took a really long time, like a few hours just to like upload it, but I really wasn't doing much. And now I'm gonna hit deliver, and then okay. And yeah, looks like we're good. As you can see, $100 order, custom order, see that? And yeah, that's about it. Okay, now we're about to go eat. I think my dad and mom made like crispy pork belly, and then we have kimchi, and we have some beans. So yeah, let's go and eat that. It looks so good. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys. I had a really good time making this. I feel like my quality is definitely getting better. I've been adding transitions. You know, the camera quality on the G7X is really good. But yeah, that's gonna be the end of the video. Thanks for watching. If you're still watching, leave a like, subscribe if you haven't already. And yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.